Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft error couldn't load launcher. If you want to fix it, first type here task manager, click on it, go to startup, then if you find here Java update, if you find it like that, disable it, just make sure it's enabled. Right click and click enable and make sure it's enabled, and then go to control panel. Now if you find it like that, just go to small icons and then go to Java and go to update and click update now, and then type here Minecraft launcher, right click on it and go to app settings, and here we'll find reset. Just click repair, and that's it. Now just to start your PC and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.